Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, March 28th. Well, kind of deja vu type weather here. Similar weather pattern today as compared to yesterday, and pretty similar tomorrow as compared to today, namely below normal temperatures in the eastern states, really from Maine all the way down to Florida. Lots of morning sunshine in the mid-Atlantic region, but lots of afternoon clouds and some scattered showers. Snow showers up in the higher elevations, upstate Pennsylvania and New York, for example, but rain showers along I-95 and south and east of the mountains. And again, there'll be some scattered rain showers this afternoon and probably again tomorrow afternoon. Nothing at all on the heavy side, but still could be a shower just about any time during the afternoon into the early evening, although most of the day will be rain-free. By Saturday, it looks like that threat for any showers is gone. Looks like a pretty decent day in the mid-Atlantic region with afternoon temperatures well up in the 50s in most locations, quite a bit of sunshine. Clouds increase on Sunday, and it looks like showers will move into the mid-Atlantic region Sunday afternoon and continue Sunday night, all ahead of a strong cold front that brings colder weather back to the mid-Atlantic region early next week. Well, just like yesterday morning, we have some record lows or near record lows in the deep south, and this is again showing how it's kind of a deja vu pattern here all over again with colder than normal temperatures and some records or near records. The black dots here represent some record lows, and the other colors are within a couple of degrees of matching the record low. So again, the deep south is being hit hard, and even way up in Alaska, continuation of some record cold or near record cold there. Kind of unusual to see record cold in both of these areas at the same time. It's kind of unusual to see record cold anytime, but especially in these kind of far apart locations, it's a kind of a rare coincidence, and it continues again this morning, just like yesterday morning. Well, the same kind of a surface map this morning as compared to yesterday morning, with broad north flow here in the eastern states, cold Canadian high pressure centered way down here in the Gulf states, and when you see a Canadian high drop all the way down to the southeast like this, watch out in Florida because you can get awfully cold. Indeed, it's been quite cold for the remaining spring training games this week, way down in Florida with some record low temperatures, not only yesterday morning but this morning as well. A little bit better here in the middle of the country, and again, we'll modify over the weekend, boosting temperatures up to near normal for a change, but that should only last for a couple of days before some colder than normal air moves back into the mid-Atlantic states. Quite a bit of a warm-up headed for the southern Rockies with 60 degrees likely for afternoon highs, not only today and tomorrow, but right through the weekend as well. Lots of low clouds and fog hanging on in the late night and early morning hours along the west coast. Well, here's the latest GOES infrared satellite loop from the Wisconsin SSEC website. And again, just like yesterday morning, large storms spinning off the New England coast, way off the coast now, but lots of low clouds behind. Upper level low continues to swing disturbances through the mid-Atlantic and northeast, and that'll continue again this afternoon with a weak disturbance. Again, low clouds here, especially up in the mountains this time of the day. With the afternoon sunshine and heating, we'll get some more instability in the atmosphere, and the morning sunshine here along I-95 will dissipate to afternoon clouds, and again, scattered showers will develop and become more numerous during the afternoon hours. Nicer weather out here in the middle of the country, and again, a warm-up in the southern Rockies with Denver reaching 60 degrees today. Lots of low clouds and fog right along the west coast and inland as well early this morning. Well, the same kind of radar loop that we've seen the last couple of mornings also. A flow of air from the north to the south, all these showers moving from the north to the south. Right now, snow showers up in the western and northern parts of Pennsylvania, the higher elevations, as well as western New York. And they'll become more numerous in the form of rain showers later on this afternoon, south and east of the mountains along the I-95 corridor. Again, nothing heavy, but a scattered rain shower can hit anywhere along the I-95 corridor during the afternoon into the early evening hours. Well, let's take a look at the forecast maps from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. We'll look at Saturday evening, then Sunday evening, then Monday evening. This is the forecast map for Saturday evening. Again, quite a nice day here throughout the mid-Atlantic and northeastern part of the country. Still maybe a few degrees below normal, but it'll be a few degrees warmer than today or tomorrow with plenty of sunshine. on Saturday. Notice some rainfall out here in the middle part of the country gathering itself, and that will head towards the north and east and affect us by later Easter Sunday. Here is in fact the GFS forecast map for Sunday evening. Quite a bit of rainfall here up and down the East Coast. It moves in during the afternoon hours. The early morning and most of the morning should be dry in the I-95 corridor. Clouds should be increasing. Rain moves in sometime during the afternoon, generally middle of the afternoon perhaps, and continues into the night. And notice this strong Canadian high here in southern Canada, driving cold air back into the country, and that'll move into the east by the early part of next week. Here is in fact the forecast map for Monday evening from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. Colder air is already filtering in at this time, and a wave of low pressure develops along that cold front, so we certainly can get some more rain showers, a chilly rain possibly moving back in Monday night into Tuesday as colder air moves back in. It'll definitely be colder on Tuesday as compared to Monday, and it looks like that chilly weather will continue right into the middle part of next week as well, with below normal temperatures back here in the eastern states. Notice this long fetch of air coming from way up in Canada down into the Midwest, thanks to this strong Canadian high pressure, and that'll control the weather for the eastern half of the country come the early and middle part of next week. Well, that's it for now. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.